A great way to show your legs some love is with a wide leg forward fold. Even though it's uncomfortable, it's so good at hitting the inner thighs, your hamstrings, your calves, all the way into your hips. So let's take 1 minute and talk about how to get into it. So let's begin with our legs as wide as we can get them. All right, and even if your legs are here, it doesn't matter. Wherever you are is right where you're supposed to be. So open them up as far as you can get them. Make sure your toes are flexed. This is gonna keep your knees safe, it's gonna keep your hips safe, and it's gonna create a deeper stretch so you'll get more out of this pose. So with your feet flexed, roll forward a little tiny bit. Inhale to a nice straight spine, and then exhale, start to walk yourself forward. And it might feel like you're not moving very much or folding very deeply, but that's okay. You can feel the stretch in your inner thighs, and your inside of your calf, all the way into your inner hips. Keep going, just breathe through it. Lower down as far as you can. And then relax your head and just hang. Remember to keep your feet flexed the whole time. Every inhale, you come up a little tiny bit. Every exhale, you sink a little deeper into the stretch. And after a few moments, inhale out of that. Bring your legs back together for crisscross applesauce easy pose and tell yourself, good job, because that's not an easy pose to do. It can be very uncomfortable to stretch those big, tight muscles, but when you do that, you really are showing your legs love. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.